Today I'm doing something that has been way long overdue for the BRAP Bunny, and that is getting an alignment. I'm going to get a legitimate alignment on this car today. Nothing's been done alignment-wise since we put the car on bags and put the camber arms in the front. It's definitely been needed, and today we're gonna do it. Gosh, I love this car. Oh, she looks so good. Lambo doors, never get old. This car is so loud, it's obnoxious. Oh man. I do have another resonator that I'm going to be putting on it. I just haven't had the time to, so just dealing with it being extra loud. Honestly, I thought one resonator would be fine, but on long drives, it's not okay. I've been wanting to get the alignment done at a specific place near where I live, so if it turned out good, I would be able to have a go-to spot in my hood in downtown Glendale. So I finally got an appointment with these guys. This is way long overdue, and I cannot wait to see how much better this car drives with a proper alignment. Dude, I love this car so freaking much. It looks so good. We made it to the place I'm getting the alignment. It's pretty awesome, because if I could have like a dream garage setup, it would definitely be something like this in terms of location. Because here is a massive shop, and then boom, we're right in the middle of downtown. The Americana Mall is like a block away. So it's pretty cool. Man, I love taking this car out for a cruise. It's gonna be so much better with a proper alignment. I mean, slowly but surely we're getting this car rocking and where it needs to be, but man, I'm so stoked. The next time I go to Florida for a while, and I'm bummed that I didn't do this last time, I really need to drop the car off for a couple major things. The next big thing coming up is definitely gonna be a proper trunk setup. Mine is just thrown together right now and was always meant to be like a temporary solution. This car is gonna be so awesome when everything's sorted out. I cannot wait. Okay, so big decision right now. I have to set the height that's gonna be my normal ride height. So definitely like living in downtown and going over curves all the time, I'm constantly raising the front all the way up and having to bring it back down. But I don't like driving with this car low at all. Like I hate it, and it gets me paranoid, and I just don't like that life. But then I also don't want to set the alignment up for when it's super high. So I'm doing my best to try and find like a nice middle ground here, and I think that is what I have it on right now. I do think it's a little lower than what I would be super comfortable with, but I mean, I don't want to go around looking like a doom buddy all the time, so I think this is it. It's so hard to decide just because I know it doesn't look the coolest if you're not like as slammed as possible when you're driving, but I also don't want to rip my kit off driving, so I think I'm gonna ship it with this ride height and get the alignment done the way it is now. It does make a big difference because when you're raising and lowering the car, the camber is massively affected. You can see that just when I'm going through the setting. I think this is it. I'm gonna send it. We're gonna set it on this ride height, and it'll still be fine if it's a little higher or lower, but it'll be best around the height that it is now. by this, by the way. In the front, the camber is even 4, and I just eyeballed it when I installed the camber arm, so that's impressive, and we really don't want to mess with that since it's perfect right now. Now all of the wantiness in terms of driving it is coming from the toe. If you can look at this, the toe is just completely messed up on each side, and that's what we're going to be focusing on for the alignment today. And we're also going to get this rear alignment better as well, or the rear camber as well. So we're also going to get the rear camber sorted as well. So you can see that it's slightly off, 4.1 and 3.7. So we're going to make those even. Keep the front camber the same at -4 since it's perfect right now. And then really the biggest thing that we're going to be sorting out is the toe, because right now it is all over the place and Adam would be very ashamed. So that is the game plan. Alright, so this is what we are working with. I cannot believe that the front camber is perfectly even right now. I just threw on the camber arms and was definitely expecting that to be a little off because I just eyeballed it, but it's perfect. So that is awesome. In the rear, the camber is just slightly off, so we're gonna even up the camber in the rear. But what is making this whole car super wonky is the toe. The toe on this car is so bad. Look at this, every corner is different. 1.7 to 99 to 0.72 and 1.14. So if you look in the front, we're negative, okay? So, and the negative toe isn't even. And then in the back, we're positive. We have 1.14 and 0.72. So that is crazy. The car is just fighting itself all over the place. So that's gonna be the main focus for today, is sorting out the toe and just adjusting the rear camber. Gonna get this girl running a lot better. And this is my daily, it's supposed to be my streetable car. So for the toe, we're just gonna do a nice neutral 0 all around. To get out of the driveway because it was ridiculously steep. So I'm just gonna drive forward and pull over just to make sure I have the height that I want. Bad problem. If I drove this car more consistently, I would just have already memorized how many clicks I need to go down to get my ride height. With this system, you're supposed to have the presets in it, like 1, 2, 3, and I don't have the E-level sensors installed yet to actually use those. So that's why this is a little bit more of a struggle. Alright, I'm gonna hurry up and go check the ride height and then take it back out for a test run. Yeah, I definitely need the back a lot lower. I look like I'm going off-roading right now. Test drive it like that, and it feels so much better driving already. much better. Yes. Wow, I made a car alarm go off from so far away. Oops. Oopsie. The security guard is laughing at me. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Thank you. Yeah?
He said he wanted to race.
Let's go. Let's race. Oh my god, that's so funny. That was the mall security guard. He just rolled by and stared at me and was like, I know it was you. That was funny.
That was crazy.
But
He said he wanted to race you.
Oh wait, look. Oh, there he is.
He's here.
He's here. Let me air out.
You want to hear?
Wait, I don't know.
He said he wants to hear.
I don't think you want that to happen.
Everyone's in trouble, right?
We're about to set all the alarms off.
We're about to set off all the alarms. You did. He said, wait, no, not all the alarms.
I know, he was like, rev it, and he's like the security guard for this place. And I'm like, you know what that means. That means I'm about to set up all the alarms. When I set off the alarm driving in here, I was outside. And I set off the alarm of a car that was like on the second floor of the mall parking. Anyway, that was fun. I left Garage 54. I am so happy with the car. It feels so much better now. I'm glad I was just able to catch them when they were available, and I had the car and it was here and it all worked out. I've been needing to do this for a really long time, so I'm happy that the car is now happy and has a proper alignment on it. The car feels so much better now. An update on the Sailor 7 car. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do with that car. You guys saw the last video. Since that last video, I did actually post the car for sale on Facebook Marketplace. However, I am getting so many responses, and half of them are the whole, is it for sale? Yes, it was just posted. And the other half are just people trying to talk and make conversation, or people that aren't really serious and not really interested in it. I can't hide that that's my car. It's very obviously my car. That's been taking up a lot of time. So I think I am considering doing a giveaway with that car. If I were to do a giveaway, there are a few things that I would do to it so that it is like great when the giveaway actually happens. I will keep you guys posted though. I'm just giving you guys an update, seeing as how the last video I talked about it, and since then I did post it on Marketplace, but now like I can't tell who's serious and who's not, and I'm getting a ton of messages about it and they're just all over the place. So I also think a giveaway would be really fun, especially since there's a lot of new people to the channel. It would be really, really awesome to have it be given away to one of you guys watching and supporting both me, my builds, and everything that I got going on. So yeah, I'm kind of liking the sound and the idea of doing a giveaway a lot more. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Would you guys just prefer something that's more like entry style, like raffle style, or would you want some one-off merch? Would you want like maybe some posters for entry? I don't know. Give me some ideas, but I'm definitely leaning more towards giveaway now. That's the update on that situation. I'm super happy the BRAP Bunny is a lot more fun to drive now. I will be taking this car on the canyons very soon. That's another reason why I got the alignment, because I'm hoping this week I can do a canyon run with this car. I was really jealous of Adam when we went in his Evo, and the canyons are literally like 10 minutes from my apartment. I cannot believe I've never ran them before. So now I got an alignment. Hopefully that'll be coming up in another video. Gosh, this car looks so good. Dang.
Do you have your mask?
Look at her. Dang, look at her. Oh yeah, do you see that sick sticker mod we did to Chris's car? So that you know we together. You know we roll deep when we rock the neon yellow. Got the neon yellow there, then you know we crew. Look at that. Look at those stripes. There's actually stripes off my 3-rotor livery. Chris felt creative one day. Going to shopping?
We're about to get some groceries.
Super weird because I thought all the stores were opening back up in California, yesterday? But no new stores have opened up. It's still just Target, like food stores, and automotive shops. And CVS's and stuff that's always been open throughout this whole time, so I'm confused. We're still in lockdown in California. I guess Florida has opened up now and you can sit in a restaurant, so I think I'll be back there soon and that will be such a weird experience. Can you even imagine like being in a restaurant right now?
I wish.
It's been
That's a luxury.
It's been so long.